Welcome to a new video. I'm Mia from The Feminine Secret, the place for glamour and femininity. And today I'm going to show you how to do a very sleek and straight low ponytail with a little 20s twist. So I went through my hair and I combed it through. I already did it, so this video won't be so long. So I washed my hair yesterday. So I always like to part my hair first. I like it on the side. Then I like to smooth everything out. So for the ponytail, we're not going to use a hair tie. I'm going to take a very long hair section from the lower part of my hair because I have layers. So if I would take a hairline from this side, it might not be long enough. So I'm taking it from down under my hair, go through that, something like that, nice and long. Then I take all my hair. I have very straight hair, so if you might have curlier hair, you might have to straighten it up before. So I first did the sectioning of my hair. Then I will take my front hair and do my little twist. So first one, I want it to be up. Then down. So, add the first round of hairspray, set it all up. So now we're going to the back. So you can add it either behind your ear or in front of your ear a little bit, just like how you like it. And let's smooth everything out with a comb first. I will turn around in a second. So, and now to the back. I smooth out everything with a comb so it looks nice and sleek. Using a smoothing brush, I will link it down below. But it's just a very simple smoothing brush. So take this hairline, smooth out a little bit more. And now I take this line of hair, straight it up, and I will go through it. I will roll it very tightly. So I will roll it completely around until I have almost no hair left. Okay, I will try to end it on the down below, so not on the front, so nobody can see it. Now I take a bobby pin and secure the last hair round. I might take another one because I think I missed it. So then I will take another round of hairspray. Oops, you can see the hair clip. So make sure to hide this last line of hair and spray it. So this is the look on the back. I think it looks very classy. and another round of hairspray in the front, so it's really a nice smooth line. So, and let's take a look if it holds down. It's nice. So, it is a bit stiff, I have to agree. The line is here, so make sure you use a hairspray that doesn't give you that greasy hair look, because with some hairsprays you just spray it on and it looks like you have unwashed hair. If you take a little bit of a less stronger hairspray, it's not so, it doesn't give you this look like you didn't wash your hair. So, but it's still in place nicely. So this is the look. It is super simple, but it's a bit more glamorous than a normal ponytail. It's nice, sleek and simple, and I hope you enjoy it. If you try it out, please link me on Instagram. If you show your look on Instagram, I would love to see the result you have. If you have other video ideas for vintage Hollywood hair, just comment them down below and I'm happy to try or make a video about that, make a tutorial out of it. As this video was also a request, thank you so much. If you're also a fan of Hollywood glamorous vintage hairstyles, I have a whole playlist. I will link somewhere in here or in here. And this playlist is all about getting this glamorous hairstyles of the golden age of Hollywood. So enjoy watching it. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the glamour. And as always, stay chic and thank you so much for watching. Bye!